Poke 1 to 2 small holes in the bottom of the cup for drainage. Fill the cup about half full with soil. Sprinkle only a pinch of seeds lightly over the soil and disperse evenly. Next, cover your seeds with another 1/4 inch of soil. Moisten the soil with a little water until it's just damp but not soggy. Cover the cup with the lid to create a mini greenhouse. Then place the cup in a sunny spot. Your seeds need full sun to grow, or about 5 to 8 hours of sunlight per day. The seeds should germinate within 7 to 10 days. After your seeds germinate, remove the lid. Keep the soil moist using a spray bottle to lightly mist the surface. If you pour too much water onto the soil, it might displace the seeds. Allow your baby sprouts to grow to at least the size of their container before transplanting them into a larger space.